Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Google Calendar for project management. So first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser. Then using the search bar at the top, we will then just have to type out googlecalendar.com. Okay, or just search for Google Calendar and you'll be able to see the first website. So just click on it and then make sure to log in to your Google account. Okay, so the next thing that we should do here is to create a new calendar. So to do that, we just have to go over here at the left side. So this one right here, other calendars. So as of the moment, these are our calendars. So we are going to create a new one. So just click on this plus icon right here. Okay, so this one. That's right. And then select create new calendar. That's right. Okay, so now right here we just have to create a name for this calendar. So I think maybe task 1 or week 1 task. Next is you have to add your description right here. Okay, so I'm just going to skip this description part. And the next one is your time zone. Okay, so we have here different time zones. So just select your time zone. So I'm going to select Philippines. And the next one is to click on create calendar. Okay, that's right. Now the next thing that we should do is we have to wait for a couple of seconds. And once our calendar is created, you'll be able to see that over here at the left side. Okay, so here is our calendar. Next is we just have to click on it. Okay, so let me just go back right here and then just have to click on your calendar and then click on this tree that's right here. Okay, and then just click on settings and sharing. Okay, so let me just click on the calendar and then just click on the streets again and then just click on settings and sharing. Right here, we have our calendar settings. We have auto accept invitations. We also have access permissions for events, share with specific people or groups. So for the access permissions for events, so making your calendar public will make all events visible to the world, including via Google search. And if you would like to apply this one, just click on OK. And then here we can get the shareable link. So we can copy the link and share it to our members. But if you would like to share with specific people or groups and you don't want your link right here so that people will not be able to share it to their friends or other people, then you can just add here a specific people for this calendar. And when you scroll down, we also have here event notifications. So we can receive notifications for events on this calendar. So just click on add notification. Okay, so right here we also have the minutes. And if you would like to add another notification, then just click on add notification. Okay, now for the all day event notifications, so receive notifications for all day on this calendar. So you can add this as well. And we also have here other notifications, new events, change events, canceled events, event responses, and daily agenda. Now we can go here and the access permission for event. So we already discussed this one earlier. So just add here specific people that you want to be in this calendar. Okay, so now that we are done discussing on how to add our members. Okay, so now let's go to our calendars. So make sure to uncheck the rest of the calendars and let's focus on the calendar that we have created. Okay. So right here, we can now start adding projects or deadline for our members. So we can use this arrow at the top to go to a specific month. So since today or this month is September, so see for example, we have an appointment or a project that should be submitted on September 18. Okay, so I'm just going to name this one as submit the project. Okay, next, since we already have our day of the week, let us add now the time. So to add a time, just click on the add time option and then select your time. So I think 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So it's up to you. Let me just find the 6 a.m. right here. Okay, or 8 a.m. to maybe 5 p.m. Next is for the time zone. Okay, so we can select our time zone as well. And then if you would like to add a guest right here, so just click on add guest. And then if you would like to repeat this one, so just click on this daily, weekly, or once day and more. Okay, so we can add guest right here. And then we can also add a specific location if we have a physical location for this one. And of course, you can also add a description and attachment. Okay, so now that you're ready, you just have to save this date. Okay, and then for the task, we also have the settings right here. Then after that, just click on save. Okay, so when your member see this date right here, and then when they click on this one, they'll be able to see here the title, the deadline, and all of the details of this specific date. And I would also want to show you on how you can add a meeting or schedule. So for example, on September 24, we would have to meet our client or the people who have applied to our job. Okay, so I'm going to name this one as meeting, and then right here, of course, the time. So we are very particular with time, so I'm just going to select 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. only. And for the time zone, then you can go here and select the time zone. So I'm going to select Philippines and then just click on OK. Okay, now next one is to add here the guest. Okay, of course. So you just had to type out their email address right here and then add a Google Meet video conferencing. Okay, so just click on this one. Next is if you have a location or physical location, so you can add here the location. And then if you'd like to add the description or attachment, then just have to click on this one as well. So now everything is set. So just click on the save button at the bottom right. So I'm just going to add here, please be on time. Then just click on save. So all of the members that you have added in this calendar, you'd be able to see here all of the details that we have created. So just don't forget to use the correct email of your members. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.